double pop.
Triple.
Triple pop. Oh my god.
Yeah, boy. Give me something good.
Do something
Something
crazy. Those are the numbers: mini 25, minor 50, major 1596, grand 12.9.
Something good.
Yo, pop everything. Screw it, just pop it all. Ooh, the ultra bonus too. Oh, quadruple pop.
Double active.
What are we doubling?
Doubling.
Oh, always doubling. Oh my, that's insane.
Yeah. Oh my god.
You're a freaking professional gambler, I think.
Oh my god. Oh, I didn't even see anything.
Really, you need to tell the audience how you do this.
I heard things, but I didn't see them. Something, yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
oh, pop that last one.
This.
Tell the audience how you're so good at this.
I go like this, and then I press the button.
Ooh, there's an ultra. Ooh, another $5 plus a $2.50. Rockets, bang.
Oh, come on. Need to get one down here. Yes.
Oh, you got another mini.
Okay. Yeah.
Big ones. Big ones. Those are tiny. That's even tinier. Oh, smack it all down.
I need these two.
Oh, yeah, if you get those two, that'd be a good thing. Oh, you got one of them. The grand is only 12,900, Kansa.
Only?
It's only.
Only.
Oh, they give us the drum roll.
Oh
Do it.
Oh, don't let me die here.
If that one drops in the middle there, pop it. We didn't get the grand.
But I still have this one.
We could have got the grand twice.
I know.
Come on. Quad rocket. Bang. But, yo, if we got the zone right now, we'd be like rich. Get the blue.
Don't die. Don't die.
Get the blue rocket. Blue rocket. Oh. Wow. You got one.
I did it. I did it.
Congratulations. $243. So you got one and I got one.
Yay.
At the El Cortez. Cashing
Thanks
out,
for
like
writing
and
the
subscribe.
Firecracker
And she does
on the
like and subscribe as well.
Subscribe.